Okay, listen up. We're skipping the standard pleasantries today. We need to talk about breaking news, literally the most disruptive AI shift of the entire year. We are diving straight into the ultimate AI merger, NotebookLM and Gemini. Seriously, ask yourself this right now. What if your AI remembered absolutely everything? Like every PDF you've ever skimmed, every massive spreadsheet you've struggled to format, every random little note you jotted down during a meeting. And then it could instantly synthesize all of that into whatever format you need without you ever having to remind it of the context. It sounds like pure science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Google just made it real. And guys, this isn't some distant theoretical roadmap for the next decade. This is definitively shaping up to be the single biggest, game-changing AI upgrade of 2026. Google just merged NotebookLM and Gemini into one synchronized ecosystem. To really grasp why this is so massive, you kind of have to look at the structural math of AI right now. Historically, large language models just guess the next word based on the public internet. They're super broad, but they don't know you. Grounded models, on the other hand, only generate answers based on your proprietary specific facts, but they completely lack that global brainstorming power. By merging these two architectures, Google is completely rewriting how we work, analyze, and create. Let's look at the stark contrast with the old way we were doing things. NotebookLM was brilliant for deep, grounded research, and Gemini was an amazing tool for broad brainstorming and live web searches. But moving your data between them was an absolute manual nightmare. You constantly hit token limits, you were always uploading files, copying, pasting, exporting documents, and just endlessly hopping between browser tabs to keep your train of thought. So Google completely eliminated that conflict. They built a new reality, a fully synchronized, bidirectional ecosystem. Your live chat context feeds directly into your notebook's memory, and your notebook's deep archive feeds directly back into your chat. No more switching platforms, no more starting over. Google has essentially built Google Drive for your AI brain. Just think about that for a second. Your historical research papers, audio recordings, strategic conversations, they all live in one intelligent house that shares the exact same persistent memory. The stakes here are massive for anyone doing knowledge work. We aren't just talking about a smarter chat window that forgets what you said an hour ago. No way. We're talking about a unified operating system for your mind that compounds its intelligence every single time you use it. Let's dive right into insane feature number 1, cinematic video creation. If you do any kind of content creation, marketing, or corporate training, this specific capability completely redefines your entire workflow. You can literally dump a dense, dry, 100-page market report into your notebook and just tell it to create a cinematic visual asset. Automatically, the engine can generate whiteboard explainers, blueprint animations, watercolor presentations, crisp professional business slides, or full educational lessons. It autonomously structures the scenes, builds custom visual storytelling based on the text, and adds perfectly timed narration. Think of the real-world application here. A marketing agency can turn a client's white paper into a pitch-ready video documentary. It turns what used to take hundreds of hours of painstaking storyboarding, asset generation, and editing across 5 different specialized apps into a task that takes mere minutes inside one single workspace. Moving on to insane feature number 2, your cloud computing analyst. Honestly, this might actually be the most underrated upgrade in the entire ecosystem. Your notebook isn't just a text processor anymore. It now includes a secure, built-in cloud computer. The crucial point here is the mechanics of execution. Previously, AI could look at a summary of data and give you advice. But let's be real, LLMs are notoriously bad at math because they're designed to predict text, not calculate numbers. Now, it literally runs deterministic code in a sandboxed environment. Step 1, you upload messy, unstructured spreadsheets. Sales data, customer feedback, whatever raw data you've got. Step 2, the AI autonomously writes and actually executes a Python script in the background. Step 3, it cleans that data, merges multiple files, and generates mathematically accurate visual dashboards and trend forecasts. For founders, marketers, and analysts, the stakes couldn't be higher. You get perfectly clean data and predictive business insights without ever touching a single line of code. All right, insane feature number 3, building your second brain. This solves the absolute biggest historical problem with artificial intelligence. Sure, it knows the general internet, but it doesn't know your information. It doesn't know your specific company strategies, your unique project notes, or your long-term goals. What we have now is a hybrid search system. It's an AI research engine that filters the entire internet through the specific context, rules, and data of your personal notebook. By connecting NotebookLM directly to Gemini, it creates a true, persistent second brain. It uses vector databases to understand the semantic meaning of your files. So when you ask it to find opportunities in the global market, It doesn't just do a generic web search. It looks at the entire internet through the unique, proprietary lens of your company's private data and objectives. It sees the world exactly how you need it to see it. Next up, insane feature number 4, autonomous market research. That hyper-specific context we just talked about, that's exactly what powers this feature. If you're an entrepreneur, a creator, or really anyone who needs rapid competitive intelligence to survive, the implications of this are terrifyingly powerful. Normally, launching a new initiative means days of manual research that honestly becomes outdated the minute you print it. Now, you give Gemini one simple prompt, something like, research the AI education market and identify opportunities, and it automatically triggers an avalanche of organized work. It autonomously builds the comprehensive research plan, collects the web sources, organizes all the findings, tracks the ongoing trends, and updates everything directly via Google Drive. And because your drive stays permanently connected to the notebook, there's no more manual re-uploading when your source documents change. As the market shifts, your dashboard shifts. It is a living, breathing knowledge database doing all the heavy lifting for you. And finally, insane feature number 5, the ultimate study machine. This entirely transforms how students, and honestly, any professional, masters complex new information. You can take an entire dense textbook, a medical journal, or a massive legal briefing, drop it in, and the AI instantly creates interactive study guides, flashcards, and practice quizzes utilizing active recall. But it goes way further than basic cramming. It can generate full-on Socratic debates or boardroom simulations. You can literally assign the AI a persona and say, explain this to me like an impatient executive, or debate my startup's business assumptions right now. It essentially becomes your personalized, highly critical study partner. And here's the absolutely crucial part. Because every single response is strictly grounded in the exact source materials you uploaded, hallucinations are drastically reduced. It's reliable, focused, and incredibly effective for high-stakes, real-world learning. The contrast in the industry right now is just stark. Most companies out there are pouring billions of dollars into building slightly smarter chatbots. Google built an entire AI workspace. The future of productivity isn't just throwing random, isolated prompts at a chat window and hoping it vaguely remembers what you said 5 minutes ago. The future is entirely about persistent knowledge systems. Systems that grow with you over time. Platforms that don't just talk, but remember, analyze, research, execute code, generate cinema, and actually help you think at a significantly higher level. So the real question is no longer whether artificial intelligence can help you. It's how much of your daily manual grind are you finally ready to delegate to your own AI second brain? I want to hear from you. Look at everything we just covered. Which NotebookLM feature are you most excited to try out in your own workflow? Are you going to generate cinematic videos from your dry PDFs? Or are you going to use the secure Python Cloud Analyst to do your heavy data crunching? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for diving into this explainer with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.